Every successful solar project begins with one vision: clean, reliable, and uninterrupted power. Solastice Renewables proudly commissioned a 50 kWh hybrid solar power project in Noorpur, Bijnor, equipped with high-capacity lithium battery storage for uninterrupted power availability. Intelligent hybrid inverter technology automatically manages solar, battery, and grid power for maximum efficiency. Every installation is completed by our experienced engineers following strict safety and quality standards. Lower electricity costs, reliable backup power, and long-term energy savings. Power your business with smart, sustainable solar solutions. From commercial and industrial projects to advanced hybrid systems, Solastice Renewables is your trusted energy partner. Contact us today and switch to a brighter future.